Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to celebrate Earth Day, which is on April 22nd. I'm going to show you decorations, especially if you have a school or classroom, or you just want to do some decorations at home for the kids. I have some great decorations ideas for you, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm taking this black tablecloth that I just got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half. And once you cut it in half, you open it up a couple of times, and we're going to use this as our main backdrop. We're just going to use some tape, and we're going to use some tacks to help get it put up on the wall. And now we're going to go ahead and get the first part of our banner put up. I did get this banner off of Etsy, but you're going to go ahead and just use some tape and get it hung up on our black backdrop. Now this is part of the earth that we are putting up. This came from an Earth Day kit, which came from Amazon. I'll have that link in my description for you. I love how they have the little kids that you could put around the earth represented together. We can keep the environment safe, and we can keep the earth safe together. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so I can continue to bring you great content. Okay friends, now we're just going to add the second part of our Earth Day banner to our backdrop. Let's add our earth and recycle cutouts to the side. These were also part of the Etsy package that I bought. I just cut them out, and now we're just using some tape to get those put up on either side of the backdrop. And we had a couple extra kids left over, so we're just going to go ahead and add them to the top of our backdrop. And now we have these handprints to add to our backdrop. These were also included with the Earth Day Amazon package. And here are the results for our Earth Day decorations. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Check out my other royal party decoration videos and have a royal day.